Real cloudy out there, everybody, and there's that dense fog that we've had through the morning out in central to eastern El Paso County. Monument Hill been real soupy this morning as well, but that tells me as a meteorologist, well, there's some moisture out there. It's going to want to try to come out as snow later. Cloudy in Pueblo, Canyon City, but there is some blue sky in Trinidad. Now when we look, yep, Monument is still real foggy out there. The collection of cold air over that high terrain, southeast winds feeding the moisture up, has left dense fog basically through the entire mid-morning into lunchtime here, and we'll probably still have that around at least until the snow starts up. But the fact that there's this much moisture at the ground means when it's transported into the clouds, it should be able to come back down to some decent snow. And the fog is a lot heavier the farther you go east in Colorado Springs. Our camera at our I-25 Rock Rimmon studio not as telling as if we had some cameras out at Powers. It'd be windier there. Pueblo, it's cloudy and it's pretty cold outside. I thought Pueblo would be able to pull off some 50s, and I still think we'll be able to, but it's not going to be anywhere near 60 degrees. Now that warmer air is actually coming with strong downsloping winds through the San Luis Valley, so there's some warmth out there near Alamosa, but all that chill locked in from Fremont County, El Paso County, north to Denver. And I have some snow in the Rockies running up to northern Colorado, but that snow should filter back in a little later today. What I'm waiting for was showers and maybe a few flurries. And I've got showers coming up off the mountains, off the Sangre de Cristos, forming over some of the wet mountains running up north. These showers will get more defined, pop out to areas like Rye, Walsenburg, and then run east. And when this little cluster right here in the next 2 hours can get to eastern Pueblo County, we might be able to hear a little bit of thunder out of those. So our modeling, pretty close to be honest. It knew that we would get some shower generation within the next 2 hours. So this is 2 o'clock. Model nailed Pueblo County probably has some of that rain with some scattered rain and flurries up moving into Denver. So from 2 to 4 o'clock, you are probably going to see some of that low-level fog and clouds turn into snow showers in Colorado Springs to Monument. There could be rain mixed in there, but most of the Springs is pretty chilly. And this snow might actually hit with a bit of a punch between 3 to 5 o'clock. And there's that little thunderstorm we talked about as a chance between Pueblo to Crowley County. Now by 5 and 6 o'clock, any scattered daytime showers are kind of moving on through. We're waiting for the snow up in Denver to drop in. And it looks to me between 5 to 7 o'clock, so 5, 6, 7, we'll start to get snow that could be very heavy moving in from Denver through Monument Hill, Black Forest, and back into Woodland Park, even down to downtown. By about 6:30 to 7, there could be some good snow, with snow continuing through 8 o'clock. Just some scattered rain to snow showers farther east. As we get into the overnight hours, I'm sure those of you in Pueblo are kind of wondering, are we going to get much? Well, the first wave is probably going to stick farther north than the model shows here. And then through midnight to 11, that's where the snow starts in the mountains and tries to dive south. Plain and simple, for areas south of El Paso County, we're not forecasting much, if any, real accumulation. But I've actually upped my totals in Colorado Springs, the Pikes Peak region, a little bit more. And when I look at the Pikes Peak region itself, I have a lot of the city seeing at least 2 to 3 inches, but Powers could be 2 to 5 inches, depending on where you are. Black Forest could do well, Monument, and up into Teller County. So let's talk about snow. Remember, we can see some daytime snow showers, but the real accumulating stuff drops in after 5 o'clock for Colorado Springs and continues off and on through tomorrow morning. Got some more snow showers Saturday, and then Monday night through Tuesday, and they've got a little bit more snow there. Pueblo, we could get that stray shower, little thunder later today, but I think there's not much for snow tonight through tomorrow morning. Even if it does snow, accumulation is little. Dry weekend, next rain snow chance Monday night through Tuesday morning. Canyon City, I believe that we will see some showers and then some snow overnight. Should be less than 2 inches, and honestly even an inch would be difficult to get tonight. But we do think we'll have some snow showers off and on Friday. It looks to me like we'll be mostly dry this weekend. And Woodland Park, we're going to get some snow overnight, about 2 to 4, 2 to 5 inches in Teller County. I think we'll have more scattered snow showers Friday, Saturday, snow next week.